All right, guys. If you've been asking me to do the proof for you, so I'm just gonna be fast. All right. They've asked me to prove this formula for you as n equals to a into r to the power n minus 1, everything divided by r minus 1. My dear people, I'm gonna do something crazy. Skip 6 line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I skipped 6 line. I'm gonna write the formula here as n equals to a into r to the power n minus 1 there, everything divided by r minus 1. I like to work backwards. The first thing that I will advise you to do here, I'm just going to write a few notes here which are not even important. Cross multiply. We are working upwards. So if I cross multiply this time, this time that, I hope it's really making sense. I'm going to have Sn into r minus 1, which will give us a into rn minus 1. I hope it makes sense. The first thing we did cross multiplication. The second step, my dear child, expand. I'm gonna remove the brackets. Ta ta, that's what it means, is to multiply out. I'm gonna have rsn minus sn. That will actually give me ar to the power n minus a. I hope it makes sense. All right, if we can look at this, there are two equations. There is an Sn and there is a Sn minus R. Look at this, there are two equations, Sn and Rsn. So what are you gonna do is to do this. Skip this line. I'm gonna start with Rsn. Rsn. On my other line, I'm gonna write Sn. My question is, what is Sn? It is A plus AR plus AR to the power 2 plus, we cannot do all of them, ARN minus 1, which is the last term. What is the second one? They said Sn multiplied by R. So it means all the first term should be multiplied by R. That will be AR plus AR squared plus AR cubic plus, just keep on multiplying it by R. That will be AR to the power of n, loss of exponent. So by doing this, you just have to say this is your equation number 1 and this is your equation number 2. So when coming here, just say equation number 2 minus equation number 1. You are done. Just crazy like that. Please go through it over and over and over. How many lines have we skipped? And let me show you how will the examiner reward you marks. You don't have to do the whole of process. He will eventually do some mistake. They're gonna give you 1 mark here and 1 mark here again, 1 mark here and 1 mark here. 4 marks in 3 seconds. Goodbye, everybody. I wish you all the best in exam. We did for arithmetic. Do you still remember? Go to our lesson and rewatch it again. This is Bishop helping Matric 2025. Awesome.